What are we doing today?
We are getting axles for my beta because I managed to snap the bend, twist, whichever, the axles with a bone stock AU.
Take off.
I want to get
auto too.
decent axles when I get my full spool, so I have no dramas.
Yeah. We're just going to take you throughout our day. We do. Probably won't be much. It'll probably carry on for the next few days. Is that the right, Michael?
Yeah, that sounds good.
Alright.
Hey Stan, can you pass me the left-hand screwdriver, please?
Left-hand screwdriver?
Yeah.
Well, this is a flat screwdriver. It's bent a little bit.
Sweet, thanks.
Shout out to AU House.
So continuing on from yesterday, we got the axles for my car, but today we're putting some radiator squirters in. What we're using is just old washer bottle squirters out of an AU. Just get some hose from Bunnings, hook them up to a button, put some water in it, aim it at the radiator, Bob's your uncle. It cools down. You don't taste it, Jamie.
It's got fucking preps on it.
So yeah, we'll record us doing that.
Okay.
That'll be this video while we wait for our diffs to get done.
We're going to put in the front passenger seat.
Thank you. So where these will be going, mind the mess, is right about there. Sounds good.
Should have painted yours grey.
I don't reckon. So you want to be really careful because you don't want to scratch the car or anything silly. I can't get that one.
I'll be right back.
This little bender boy. I'm going to take this off. Put that on there. That goes on there. That goes on there. And now, you screw it in. If you can get to it.
Putting yourself tapper in with a swivel end?
Yes. Not going to work.
Leave the seat back.
It doesn't go back. Like that. There you go. And then you have a water ball.
How strong is it? That's good enough, I reckon.
It's good enough. It'll do.
Right.
That was rude.
So, we're going to run it through the aerial switch. So see how we pop these out. Like that. If these cars seem a bit dodgy, the stuff we're doing to them, just remember, it's because they are.
The beaters.
The beaters.
Exactly.
Right,
You're not show cars.
No, put this one out. Like this. We've actually done this before. Oh, there we go. Now this will work. We don't need this. Actually, no, we do need the plug.
We do need a plug.
Yeah. So, did you want to grab me a snippers, please?
Okay. Snippers. Let's go for a walk. Oh, yuck. Yeah.
What are you doing down there?
Nothing. Snippers. Shh. There you go, mate.
Thanks. Cut that off about there. Off the water.
Shit. You broke your phone.
Shit.
Phone camera. Can I touch you there?
I don't know you're gay yet.
Shh.
Alright. Got it. Alright, so change of plans. We're not going to run it through the original button. We got a button out of the BA. We're going to run it somewhere where it's easier to run the wire from the battery. So, it's not difficult running it behind the dash to the positive. So, yeah. I mean, we're trying to think of ideas where to put these.
So I've got an idea.
Got an idea?
I've got to put it right here.
Right there.
Right there.
So,
Cut a hole. Right there.
That should be right, yeah?
That should be it. Let's do it.
Alright.
Now, we drill hole. Don't worry about anything behind it because it doesn't matter if you don't look at it. works. So, do something. And if you're as retarded as me, it should look something like that. You're right there.
Back again.
You want to test this?
What's
In
that?
the hole? Does it go in? No, it doesn't. So you get some more of this bad boy and then go at it like this. Make sure it's flat. Oh shit! I scratched my car. Yeah, that's good. Doesn't fit in that. Oh, it does. That's good. Oh shit! I scratched my car. Alright, does it fit? Oh, look at that. It doesn't. Does it fit this way? Oh, hang on. There we go. Look at that. See?
Is that it?
With the, yeah.
Is that how much you're going in only?
No, it goes another way. It's just you can't push it until you put the wires on.
Right, fair enough.
So you put your plug in that you've already extended your wires to. One wire's got to go to the battery. The other wire has to go to your pump. So
Water pump.
just make sure you don't forget which wire is which. So I'll put a little bit of tape on one end, so that's the battery. Put your wires through. You pull it, keep pulling, and then it should shit.
Oh, fuck.
We'll be back.
Cut. Alright, so it went in.
So it's in. We got the button. It's out of a BO. Don't worry about it. It used to be the boot button,
Used to be.
which didn't work anyway. Alright, so what you want to do is run your battery wire to your battery, run your other wire to the positive on your pump, ground your pump, put the water in it, put your hose on, and then you can shoot water at people.
Or your radiator.
Or your radiator, whichever.
Alright, so we've got the positive run through where the clutch cable would go to the battery. That's all done. What's next, Michael?
Sorry, my server was talking to me.
Was it?
Next thing is I need to find a spade connector for here.
Yeah. We got none.
And run it onto the bottom of the pump, and then ground the pump, put the rubber hose that we got on it to the radiator, put a little squirty thing on it, and then put the water in it, see if it works.
Yep. See. Alright, so it's all done now.
All wired up, press the button, it
Now,
works.
all we need to do is the plumbing, do the radiator, that's it. But first we're going to do my car,
Get that one done,
get that one done, then, yeah.
finish it off.
What have we got now?
Well, we've got pizza.
That's what I was thinking. We've got pizza. So what we're going to do with this, alright, is we're probably just going to eat it. Alright, so we drilled a hole in the firewall to run the pipe through. We got it done in the white car now, in my car. What are you laughing at? Oh, you fucking idiot.
Nah, look, it'll work.
It'll work, but we're planning not to jack the car because we're lazy, but we have to do it anyway.
Nah, look, wait. See, there's a hole.
There's a hole.
Right there. That goes into the engine bay.
Oh, really? Alright, that's good. Alright. So we're just plumbing up the pipe now.
Yep.
We got it finished up in my car, which I just said.
And my car.
And his car, yeah.
All finished. It's just we've got to plumb it now, so this bad boy goes. None. Limiter. On.
So we've finished up on both cars pretty much. The pipe runs from there up there through a hole. Through there, under there, then there. Pretty good?
Not bad. Good. One of them is.
Yeah, press it. Press it? Whoa. Hold it on. Hold it on. Yeah.
You're not gonna watch your phone.
When did you do it in the YouTube video? Michael, mine works. So what's going on with yours?
It's fixed.
So Michael has one squirter on his. He just needs to get a second one because someone broke.
Yep.
Yep.
So squirting on the transcooler.
So
I'm
thanks.
gonna want three.
Three.
Three. One for the transcooler, one for the radiator, one for the power steering cooler.
It's the end of the video.
Goodbye, everybody.
What's the next video about?
We're putting our spools in.
Spools in both the
Spools.
beaters.
So we won't do a video on this one because this one is basically done already.
No,
Just got to get the spool for it.
There's no point showing two videos.
Exactly.
It's the same
We'll
thing.
show a video on Jamie's. This is now going full spool. I tried the mini spool. It didn't work because the diff was better than pain in the butt. So yeah, I've ordered a full spool for it.
Oh my god.
And yeah, we'll put up a video when we've done that.
Sick. Thanks everyone for watching. See you, bye.